Today we are going to use can or cannot in our sentences. Okay? So very first thing we are going to write is today's date. That is 8/2/2021. And on the red line you can write CW. We are going to write the use of can and cannot. And when we use can, it shows the ability. The ability, when we have that particular ability, then we use the word can. And if we don't have that ability, we use the word cannot. So our question will be, write a few things that you can, put can in inverted commas, and cannot, that also in inverted commas, because we are going to use this. So we have to highlight it. So I have put it in inverted commas, can and cannot do. Okay, what we can do and what we cannot do. Okay. So the first one I'm going to write is, I dash play cricket. Okay, so we will write here can, C-A-N, can. I know how to play cricket, so I will write I can play cricket. Okay? Okay. I repeat, children, can shows the ability. I can play cricket, that means I know how to play cricket, so I am writing here I can. If suppose someone doesn't know how to play cricket, then you can write I cannot play cricket. Okay? Some of you will say that I don't know how to play cricket. Then you can write I cannot. Okay? But generally, all of us know how to play cricket, so I used I can play cricket. Okay. The second one, I dash W-R-I-T-E, write now. I know how, H-O-W, how to write. So what the second sentence shows? I know how to write. So what we will write here? I can write now. C-A-N, can. I can write now. Now we know how to write. Right, children? Because we are in first standard and we know how to write, and we are writing now. So we are going to write I can write now. I know how to write. And the third one. Okay. In second sentence, everybody is going to write can, because we know how to write. All of us know how to write now. So the answer will be can. Okay. In the first sentence, I am giving you option. If you don't know how to play cricket, some of us doesn't have interest in cricket, so we don't play cricket. So you can write I cannot play cricket. Okay. But I know how to play, so I have written I can. If you want, you can write cannot here. Okay, but in this sentence, every one of us, each one of us know how to play how to write. So everybody will write can. I can write now. I know how to write. Okay. So we go for the third one. I dash ride a bicycle. Okay. Now we are grown up now and we know how to ride a bicycle. So we will write here I can. I know how to ride a bicycle. So I will write I can, can ride a bicycle. Number 4. I dash wear my shoes. I dash wear my shoes. You know how to wear your shoes, children? Most probably yes. So we are going to write I can wear my shoes. Okay. So I'm going to write here can. Can. I can wear my shoes. We are in class 1 and we can wear our shoes by ourselves. So we are going to write can, can. I can wear my shoes. Number 5. I dash drive a car. I dash drive a car. I am TOO2 small SMALL small. I dash drive a car. I am too small for that. Okay, don't put full stop here. For that. Okay, don't put full stop here, children. I cannot. Can you drive a car? No, I cannot drive a car. I am too small for that. Why we cannot drive a car? Because I am too small. So I'm going to write here cannot. I cannot drive a car. I am too small for that. Okay, let's see the next one. Number 6. I dash cook food. My mother MOTHER mother. My mother does it for me. Who cook for you food for you, children? Who cook for you? Mother. Okay. I dash cook food. My mother does it for we. So what we are going to write? I cannot. Again, we are very small for that. So the mother does it for me. So we are going to write I cannot. C-A-N can. N-O-T not. This is not our ability. You don't know how to cook food because you are very small for that. So you will write here I cannot. I cannot cook food. My mother does it for me. I repeat, children, the ability to do work. There we are going to write can. What we can do. The things we know how to do, we are going to write can. For example, I can play cricket. I can write now. I can ride a bicycle. I can wear my shoes. And the things we are not able to do, there we are going to write cannot. C-A-N can. N-O-T not. For example, I cannot drive a car. I cannot cook my food. I repeat, I cannot drive a car. I am too small for that. I cannot cook food. My mother does it for me. So these two things you don't know how to do, so you are going to write cannot. C-A-N can. N-O-T not. Cannot. Number 7. Okay, what is number 7? I dash swim. S-W-I-M. Swim very well. Okay. I dash swim very well. So I am going to write here cannot because I don't know how to swim very well. I know how to swim but not very well. Okay, I have just learned how to swim. So I am going to write here I cannot swim very well. C-A-N can. N-O-T not. Okay, if any one of you know how to swim very well, then you can write here C-A-N can. Okay. But when I talk about myself, I don't know how to swim very well. So I have written I cannot. C-A-N can. N-O-T not. I cannot swim very well. Okay. I'm going to turn my page. Number 8, we are going to write I dash G-O go O-U-T out today. I dash go out today. It is raining. R-A-I-N-I-N-G. I dash go out today. It is raining. So if it is raining outside, we cannot go out generally. Okay. Actually, you can wear a raincoat and go outside, but generally we cannot go out if it is raining. So what I'm going to write, I can not. Okay, I decided not to go out as it is raining outside. So I will write here I cannot. C-A-N can. N-O-T not. I cannot go out today. It is raining. Okay. Ninth one. I dash walk. Okay. So I dash walk. We can walk or we cannot walk. We can walk. We know how to walk, so we are going to write here CAN, can. I can walk. Okay. And the 10th one, I repeat children, what we know how to do, there we are going to write can. And if there is something which we cannot do, there we write cannot, can, not, not. And the answers can differ from person to person. Okay? For example, swimming, if someone knows how to swim very well, they can write can. And if you don't know how to swim very well, you can write can, not, cannot. Okay? And I can play cricket. If you don't know how to play cricket, you can write there cannot. Okay, so the answer may differ from person to person. We are writing here what we can do. We are writing about ourselves. Can you see in every sentence we have written the first letter I. I means myself. So if you can do, you have to write you can, can. And if you cannot do, you will write can, not, cannot. The last one I will write here I dash sharp my pencil. I don't have a sharpener. I don't have a sharpener. So, when I don't have a sharpener, I dash sharp my pencil. Can I sharp my pencil or cannot? When I don't have a sharpener, how will I sharp a pencil? So what I'm going to write here, I cannot. I cannot sharp my pencil. Why I cannot sharp my pencil? Because I don't have a sharpener. So I'm going to write here cannot. can, can, not, not, cannot. I cannot sharp my pencil. I don't have a sharpener. So this is all for today, children. We are going to write 10 sentences only. And all the sentences we have written about ourselves. That is I. Okay, I means me. So don't think about anyone else. If you know you can do, then you are going to write here can. And if the things you cannot do, there you will write can, not, cannot. Your answer may differ from the teacher's answer. Okay? So our question was, write a few things that you can and cannot do. So we are talking about ourselves, me. Okay, so every sentence, first word is I. You are writing about yourself, children. So if you can play cricket, like the first one, I can play cricket. I have written can because I know how to play cricket. If you don't know how to play cricket, then you can write here cannot. C-A-N can, N-O-T not. Okay? I can play cricket. I have written can because I know how to play cricket. The second one, I can write now. I know how to write. Now this sentence, all our answer should be same, can, can, because each one of us knows how to write. So we will write here, I can write now. I know how to write. Third one, I can ride a bicycle. Okay, generally all of us know how to ride a bicycle. If suppose you don't know how to ride a bicycle, then you can write here cannot. C-A-N can, N-O-T not. I cannot ride a bicycle. I have written can because I know how to ride a bicycle. I can wear my shoes. Okay, you know how to wear your shoes, then you are going to write C-A-N can. I can wear my shoes. Number 5, I cannot drive a car. I am too small for that. Okay, we are too small for driving a car, so you will write here cannot. C-A-N can, N-O-T not. I cannot drive a car. Number 6, I cannot cook food. My mother does it for me. Okay, you cannot cook food, you are too small, so your mother does it for you. So I cannot cook food. My mother does it for me. Now these two sentences I have written according to you. Okay, I cannot drive a car and I cannot cook food. Okay, seventh one, I cannot swim very well. I know how to swim, but I cannot swim very well. So I have written here cannot. C-A-N can, N-O-T not. Cannot. Now the eighth one, I cannot go out today. It is raining. If suppose it is raining outside, then we are not able to go out. So I have written here I cannot. C-A-N can, N-O-T not. Number 9, I can walk. We are all grown up now and we know how to walk. So I've written here C-A-N can, I can walk. And number 10, I cannot sharpen my pencil. I don't have a sharpener. Okay, when I don't have a sharpener, how will I sharpen my pencil? So I've written here cannot, C-A-N can, N-O-T not. I cannot sharpen my pencil. I don't have a sharpener. So hereby we complete our 10 sentences. Thanks a lot, children.